this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Steam games with another person or player with Steam. And this is easy to do. So maybe you have like a family member or something like that you want to share to. So go up to Steam right here, and then go to where it says Change Account, and log out to your main account. And then you want to go ahead and log in with your other person's account. Otherwise, you can go over to their computer, and you need to log in with your account on their computer to go ahead and access their profile or their account. So just sign in, and you can go to Add Account right here. Sign in normally with your account information, if you're on their computer, if they're on your computer, whatnot, and then you should be able to add them. So let's go to YourSixGaming right here, and then sign in. So once we are signed in, all we have to simply do is allow the sharing on our computer, and we should be able to find their profile if they signed in. So I'm signing into my main account or my secondary account. Go up to Steam, go to Settings, and then we can go to Family. Now we can see Family Sharing right here, but let's first go to Authorize Library Sharing on this device. So make sure you go to this on your profiles. Select up to 5 users who may access and use your library on authorized devices. So right here. So you can see eligible accounts now. So I was signed into this account before, Timmy, YourSixStudios, and I have not clicked this button to share my my game library with them. So make sure you click right here, and you can start sharing. But let's go up to Family Sharing. Share your Steam library with others on this device. Once authorized Steam users on shared devices may access, download, and play your available library of Steam games while you are not playing. So we can go to Manage right here. I'll bring us to this. And it looks like I am now authorized on both of them. So you just simply have to sign in, go to this section, and then you can authorize whatever account. So you might have to do this like on both accounts. So if you signed in one account, you want to authorize it, and then you want to go ahead and get access to the other person's game library as well, so you can go back and forth. Now there's a restriction. Only one person can be playing games at a time. So you can be signed in, but you can't be playing a game if the other person is playing a game. So if I go to Library, and I now have access to all of my main account's games over here on the left, before I did not. So you can see all the games over here. So I can be playing Call of Duty or BattleBit, and you can see it's from the library of Timmy, YourSixStudios. So only one person can be playing a game at a time. So that's the limit. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.